Hey guys, this is designer Pritham and welcome to my channel Prince. So in my previous video I have shown you a simple block figure and how to modify that block figure and how to make a simple illustration pose that nude figure. And in this video I am going to show you how to modify that simple nude figure to a stylized illustration pose, and that can be your signature style too. Now you will ask, so what's the signature style? So now every designer have a unique signature style that will identify you as a designer. See, in that signature style, everyone just show that signature style and they will get to know, oh, this Prince style, that's the signature style. You will identify from that style. So listen very carefully in this video. I'm going to show you how to make this illustration style very interesting. In very tiny and simple way, I'll show everything in this video. Okay, so suppose think you are a very creative people. You are a very creative and interesting idea in design fields. You know the pattern making, you know even drafting too. You know how to design a garment and people love your designs. But you don't know how to present your garment. So that's the factor. You have to know the presentation style, and for that you have to have a unique signature style. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make that unique signature styles. Okay, so let's do it. So for the stylized pose I need to draw the straight line as I do always in my every figure, if it's block figure or nude figure, and then I will do the head portion, the oval shape on the top of the straight line. See, I'm doing it little bit of lighter because after that I need to draw the hairstyle and face. So I'm doing little bit of lighter. See, this shoulder portion I'm doing little bit of bend because it's stylized pose, so that's why I have to use various type of curve. Now see, I'm doing the waist portion from the bust portion. See the curve. This curved line will make your figure more attractive. See, from the waistline I'm doing the hip line curve like this, and from hip it's knee line curve. See the pop-up bar I have shown you in my previous video in my stylized pose or block pose, in various type of pose. See the cross line I'm doing. This is the knee portion. From the knee line it will like this to ankle line. See, like this. I'm doing all this line with few curve. See, I'm doing all these things in one just strokes. You need to practice this. It's very easy. You can practice this, and if you just show all my videos in my previous videos in my channel, you can easily work it. See, I'm doing this hand like this. See how beautifully and how smoothly it's working. See the hand I'm doing. See my figure almost ready. I'm just doing little bit of darker shade. Now I need to do the hairstyle and face. So let's zoom it. Yeah, that's perfect. And now this is the break point, and from there it will like straight and curve like this. Every head must have this shape. Okay, and this is the eye line, this is the nose line, and these lips lines, and 1/3 of the head it will our hairstyle. See, like this. So you can do any type of hairstyle, and here in this video I am just making a one-sided hair like this. See the strokes I'm just using. In several strokes my hairstyle will be ready like this. You always need to have this type of strokes to make your hair more attractive. See, I'm not doing shades, I'm just doing little bit of darker so that my hair can be more attractive and visible. See, this portion always be little bit of darker. See, these shades I'm doing. Now I need to do the eyeline, the eyebrow and the eyes. See, I'm not overlapping in lines, I'm just doing it once. See the nose and the lips, just few lines and your face is ready. See the pop-up bar, I'm just showing. Yeah, see, now little bit of darker shade, and I need to do the hair, the ear and earrings like this. See, my figure is almost ready. Now I need to do little bit of darker shade, the shoulder bone. See, if I put my garments here in this body, then I don't need to do that, but here I'm just doing the stylized figure, so that's why I need to do little bit of darker shade to make this figure more attractive. See, like this, I'm just highlighting the curved portion. See, the curved portion, I'm just doing high dark point like this. It will make your figure more attractive. See, in the crotch portion it will be like little dark, otherwise it will look like back. So the knee portion, see, I'm just highlighting the curved portion. See, so in such way, just my stylized pose is ready, it's almost ready. See, on this figure you can do any type of, you can put any type of garments. So in this figure, so if it may be gown like this Indian dress, or it can be western dress, anything like this. See, all these figures are same. See. Hey, so now you know the basic idea how to create that stylized pose, how to create your unique signature style. So I hope you know. So come on, just comment me here what you find most exciting in this video and what you want to see in my next video. So in this channel I am gonna show you a very interesting process about from very tiny things like from designs making, from illustrations to backstage and front stage ramp walk, design presentation, everything I will cover in this channel. So if you know all these things in fashion designing related subject, so you can just like me and subscribe my channel so you can get me in first morning. So I hope you like this video, and just it's time to buy. So good night, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in this beautiful world. So bye.